Are you looking to build an e-commerce website? Today, we'll explore the advantages of using Joomla as your platform of choice. First and foremost, Joomla offers a user-friendly interface. This makes it easy for beginners to navigate and manage their online store without having extensive technical knowledge. Secondly, Joomla provides flexible customization options. You can choose from a variety of templates and extensions tailored for e-commerce, allowing you to create a unique shopping experience for your customers. Another significant advantage is Joomla's robust security features. With regular updates and security extensions, you can ensure that your customers' data is well protected. Joomla is also SEO-friendly. It allows you to easily optimize product pages and categories, helping you rank better in search engines and attract more potential customers. Lastly, the Joomla community is incredibly supportive. With countless forums, tutorials, and meetups, you'll always find help when needed, ensuring your e-commerce website runs smoothly. In conclusion, Joomla combines ease of use, customization, security, SEO capabilities, and community support, making it an ideal choice for building your e-commerce website. Get started today.